Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I can't help myself. I love washi tape. And this set from Heidi Swapp, its storyline chapters, washi rolls, is such a pretty set. The different patterns are just beautiful and they match so well with each other. I would never have been able to come up with these different patterns and looks on my own. I also like that they are different thicknesses, so it adds extra interest when I use them together. I love them for my planners, to decorate my planner, and for my card making. These Heidi Swapp Storyline Chapters washi roll set is a beautiful addition to my craft room for my planners, for my card making, and they're just so fun to use and to add extra interest. And that's my point of view.